YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today's video, we're gonna talk about the Galaxy Flip 4 and Samsung's official cases. As I've been doing for a couple of years now, I spend my own money and I pay a lot for these cases, and we're gonna just see if they're worth the money or not and give you my quick opinion after unboxing them and put them on my phone. This case right here is $25. This case is $30. This is $40. This is $40 as well, and this is $90. Let's start with the cheapest case and work our way up. Okay, so here it is installed, and already fingerprints galore. Literally me just installing this, tons of fingerprints on this thing already. So that's one thing that's gonna keep me away from it. I mean, this thing looks pretty rough already. But beyond that, the case went on pretty easily. It doesn't interfere with opening and closing. Open and close is just fine. So that's good. Accessing the front screen, it's not bad at all. The front screen is cut out, so it doesn't fully protect it, but you do have a lip around it. So having the lip around it is definitely gonna help in the event of a fall, but the cameras do protrude out. I'm gonna try to get this for you guys. The cameras do protrude out further than the lip. So if there is a drop or anything, the cameras will fall first. They will hit first over the lip. So that's one thing that it's not fully protecting the front all the way. So for sort of a cheapish case, this isn't horrible, but at the same time, I mean, just using it for a couple of seconds, I got tons of fingerprints on it. It'll be really hard to recommend. And I think for this price, there'll be a lot of other cases that'll work out just as well. So the hinge is fully exposed, and when I open this up, it looks good. It doesn't clip, it doesn't snag. So you do have full access to open and close this. The fingerprint scanner is exposed. The power button is covered. So you do have some decent coverage on the case, which is nice. But at the same time, all these fingerprints just kind of makes it slippery and kind of gross to touch after a while. So yeah, this is the slim cover case. Okay, so this next case is sort of in the same realm. It's a clear cover case, except for it has a ring to hold it. So let's take a look. Okay, so this one's different. It actually comes in 3 different pieces. Yeah, I don't know how this goes, but we will figure it out. So the way this case works, you actually insert these guys right here, and then we just line it up. Here's the first side, and then here's the bottom side. Yeah. Okay, so here it is. You just have to line the ring part up with the shell case, and you kind of clap it on. But here it is. It's the same material as the other one, so I don't have to discuss that. But now we have a ring here, which I like having the ring because this is kind of a good way that some people may attach their phone to like a bag or a purse or something like that, or they don't want to keep it in their pocket, attach it to a book bag. I do like the ring for the flip. It sort of adds to that whole flipping accessory, makes it, you know, kind of a more fun phone, and it's so small that it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I do like the ring. It's not bad. You can even attach your keys to it. So everything's in one spot and you can just talk on the phone and have your keys kind of hanging off. So yeah, I don't think the ring is gonna go anywhere. The way it's installed makes sense. I didn't like it at first, but once you put everything down and snap it in, it is in there. It's in place pretty good. I mean, I gave this a really good tug. A bigger tug than what you normally get just every day using this thing. So it's a solid case. I just don't like the clear. So if they have the ring without the clear, I think that'd be a better choice. But overall, this is a solid case. It's not too expensive, and it lets you be more portable with your phone. So speaking of having a ring on a different case, this is the silicone cover with ring, and I think this one will probably be a whole lot better for me, just because the clear I just really don't like. So let's take a look. Okay, so installation on this one is a lot different. The ring is actually built into the case, which I would definitely like better. Yeah, we also have these things right here. This is kind of adhesive, so it sticks on the phone better. I'm gonna leave the adhesive on there as I'm switching cases a lot, but let's go ahead and get it installed. So I assume we install like this, and this guy goes on top, right? Yeah. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, I don't hate this. I like it actually. This is definitely cool. This silicone is thicker, so it's gonna be a thicker case, which should give you better protection, which it does. If you take a look here, the lips stick out further than the lenses, so that should provide better protection in the event of a fall or a drop or anything like that. You have cutouts for the flash. The front screen is exposed, but you still have access to everything on the screen, as you see here. No problems at all. The back is fully covered. We have nice cutouts around the speaker grill, the microphone, USB. All that stuff looks good. The ring is really strong. I mean, I'm giving it a pretty decent tug, and we're on there pretty good. This is Bora Purple. This is Samsung's like new color theme this year. I don't know the whole backstory, but here it is. Yeah, solid case once again. Very nice ring. I think this is stylish. They do come in different colors. Links below. And yeah, nice case. I gotta be honest, this case, I'm coming in with some bias because I do love the strap cases. I just think it's kind of a cool look. It's not for me, but I get what they're doing with it, and I kind of like, it's like kind of trendy. and so I get it. So I'm gonna be happy to check this one out. Last year I loved the strap case on my Flip, and they're actually making it for the Fold as well, so that's pretty nice. Here we go, off with you. Oh yeah, this is definitely super nice. So yeah, you have the strap right here. It says Flip, kind of have this little hook here too as well. It's just like the other case as far as the same material, the silicone material. So we'll go ahead and install the same way, push it in. We do have adhesive right here. Once again, I'm not using the adhesive for the sake of this demonstration. And here it is. I like this. This is definitely a cool look. The strap makes it really trendy, makes it really fun to look at. I'm a fan of a strap, so let's talk about the case a little bit. Let's kind of go around it, see if there's anything we notice. Volume rocker is covered, which is fine, but very nice and clicky. You can definitely hear it. Fingerprint scanner is exposed, so you can access it pretty simple. It's like little cutouts to allow you to get to it. The lips are popping out a little bit more than the camera ring, which is always a good sign. Open and close, really solid. It has a nice thunk to it. Listen. Very nice thunk if you want to hang up on someone when you're talking on the phone, you want to on them. Very nice case. This is solid. This is my favorite one so far. I really do like this case. I like this little hook at the bottom, so you could hook it to something if you want here, like a carabiner clip or something like that, or you just have it like kind of fashion. This is kind of fashionable. You flip it open, it says Flip on the back. It has this little orange and white, little creamsicle action. They come in different colors, but this is the color I selected, and this is probably gonna be my case, to be honest. And this last case is the most expensive one. This is the flap leather cover, and we will take a look at it. It has some unique things going with it. We'll open it up and take a look at it. Ooh, this looks fancy. Oh yeah, this is a really nice looking case. Number one, the material is definitely different. It is leather, and it definitely feels like leather, and it has this like mechanism like this. This mechanism does feel a little cheap, to be honest. It does feel pretty chintzy, but once we get it on the phone, let's take a look. Inside, we have kind of this suede material, and that feels really nice. So it shouldn't scratch your phone, anything like that. Very nice. We have our adhesive strips that we can put on our phone just to make it stick a little better. Here it is. Okay, this isn't my style because this looks like a high-end purse, but gosh, this looks luxury. This looks luxurious. Like, I can definitely see a lot of people who wear purses rocking this case. I can definitely see like my mom, if she had this phone or whatever, like using a case like this. It is nice. It has this little gold bar in the front, which makes it look like it's like a high-end purse or something like that. Similar layout, we have our openings at the bottom here from what we expect. Openings are fine. Fingerprint scanner. Looks like there's a little more room on the bottom than on the top. It shouldn't prevent your finger from getting on here, but it isn't a lot of room. So if you have bigger thumbs, this might not be the case you're looking for, because getting access to that button might be a little bit harder. I'm just looking at that already. Obviously, I've only used the case for a couple of seconds, so you probably would adjust to it, but I am noticing a little bit less room here to get to it. Samsung on the back. This is a nice case. It is very solid. It looks like just a really high-end case. You're paying 90 bucks for it, so it's expensive, but at the same time, it is nice. You're definitely paying for the fashion aspect. Nothing about the case besides it being leather is really making it cost that much, but at the same time, you are paying for the fashion aspect. This is a very fashionable case. It looks like a little mini purse. Not my cup of tea for a case, but I get it, I understand it. And if you're into fashion and you're into this phone and this is your style, this is a great looking case. And you know, I'd say go for it if this is your jams. Anyways, guys, those were all the cases from Samsung's official website. They come in different colors. Hit the links down below. And also, while you're down there, hit subscribe if you like this type of content. I'm keeping it real, talking to you about cases, so you don't have to spend that money if you don't need to. You get the right case. Obviously, there's third-party cases and accessories available. I'm linking those down below too. If you want to see a third-party cases video just like this, hit your boy up. Let me know in the comments, and also, you know, hit that like button too. Anyways, guys, what's poppin'? Kevin the Tech Ninja. I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.